Airplanes are equipped with a variety of lights that are used for navigation, safety, and to improve visibility during flight or when on the ground. The most commonly used and important lights are navigation lights, anti-collision lights, strobe lights, landing lights and taxi light. Large airplanes use other lights also, like wing lights, runway turn-off lights, wheel well lights and logo lights. Navigation lights or position lights are steady lights near the leading edge of each wingtip. A red navigation light is located in the left wingtip leading edge, and a green light in the right wingtip leading edge. In addition to red and green lights, white navigation light is also located in the tail or each wingtip. These navigation lights are most useful at night, when it is more difficult to tell the direction the plane is going. The different colors make it possible for an outside observer, such as the pilot of another aircraft, to determine which direction the plane is flying. When the aircraft is flying left, you will see the red light, and when aircraft is flying right, you will see the green light. You will see both red and green lights when the aircraft is coming towards you. When aircraft is flying away, you will see all white lights. Strobe lights. High-intensity white strobe lights are located on each wingtip, and large airliners are equipped with one more strobe light at the tail. These lights are also known as white anti-collision lights. Strobe lights are turned off while aircraft is on ramp, because they can easily distract the ground crew and can cause temporary blindness if it flashes directly into eyes. These lights are turned on when the aircraft is entering active runway, and remain on until the aircraft exits the active runway at the destination. Anti-collision lights. Anti-collision lights are flashing red lights on the top and bottom of the fuselage. They are also known as beacon lights. The beacons are turned on just before the engines are started, and they remain active until the last engine is shut down. It gives the signal to the ground crew that engines are about to start, and no one should approach the engines after turning on the anti-collision lights. Taxi light. Taxi light is a bright white light, located on the nose landing gear strut of most planes. This light is typically turned on whenever the aircraft is in motion on the ground, for greater visibility during taxi. After reaching runway, taxi light is turned off, and can remain on until takeoff in case of less visibility. Landing lights. Bright white landing lights are usually fitted to most planes, for enhanced visibility during the landing and takeoff. These lights can also be used to illuminate the runway at poorly lit airports. Landing lights are located in the wing route for most of the planes, and their location can vary from plane to plane. They are turned on when the aircraft reaches the runway, and turned off after reaching 10,000 feet altitude. During approach, the lights are turned on again, and turned off after landing. Runway turn-off lights. Runway turn-off lights are usually located in the leading edge of the wing route. These bright white lamps are intended to provide side and forward lighting during taxi, and when turning off the runway. These lights are most useful at poorly lit airports, but are usually unnecessary. These lights can also be used in flight if greater visibility is required. Wing lights. Modern airliners also have wing lights. These are positioned on the fuselage just in front of the engine cowlings. Pilots can also use the wing lights to inspect the wings and slats for any ice accretion that might build up when flying through clouds. These are not required to be on, but in some cases pilots turn these lights on for engine checks, and also while passengers board the aircraft, for better visibility of the ground near the aircraft. Logo lights. These lights are not required but are common on most commercial aircraft. The lights are usually located on the surface of the horizontal stabilizer. The steady white lights are used to illuminate the company's logo painted on the vertical tail. While useful for advertising, the primary purpose of these lights is safety, since the bright lights help to make the plane more visible. Wheel well lights. Some planes are equipped with additional lights in the nose and main gear wheel wells. These lights are provided primarily to assist ground personnel in making inspections of a plane at night. The front view of an aircraft with all lights turned on. Position lights. Anti-collision lights. Taxi light. Runway turn-off lights. Strobe lights. Landing lights. Wing lights. Logo lights and wheel well lights. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you like.